the plus size modeling industry is booming, and curvy models around the world are beginning to take center stage on runway shows and magazine covers. However, the definition of a plus size model might be surprising in the fashion industry. Plus size models are defined as being those who are size 8 and up, when in the real world, the average size of an woman is a size 14 to 16. Here we present a list of top 10 plus size models who are helping to redefine the face of the modeling industry. Let's start with number 10, Crystal Rain. Crystal Rain is an American plus size model and author. At the age of 14, Crystal Rain started her modeling career in high fashion. Rain is one of the most inspiring plus size models. She was told to lose almost a third of her weight to become a model. Number 9. Candice Huffin. Candice Huffin is a plus size model represented by IMG Models, starting her career as a teenage beauty queen. Huffin has been leading the charts of plus size models for the longest time. She was the very first plus size woman to be featured in Calendar, also the first plus size model to be on the cover of Elle magazine. Apart from being a model, she inspires women to do what they can. Number 8. Kate Dillon Levine. Kate Dillon Levine is an American plus size model, activist, and actress. She is best known for her work as a plus size model, where she appeared in multiple editorial in fashion magazines, appeared in cosmetics, plus size, and designer campaigns. Number 7. Tara Line. Tara Line is an American plus size model from Tacoma, Washington. She was born on July 26, 1982. She is best known as a lingerie model for plus size clothing. Number 6. Flavia Lacerda. Flavia Lacerda is known as one of the most beautiful plus size model, and not just because they share the same homeland. Flavia Lacerda is the plus size model who set to burst out of the native Brazil and quickly take over the world. Already have been featured in Vogue Italia in July 2012. She is married and has a daughter now. Number 5. Cole Marshall. Cole Elizabeth Marshall is an English plus size model. Having won the Miss Surrey title in March 2008, she became the first plus size 16 model to reach the final for the Miss England tiara. She is one of the inspiring curvy girls, and that's why we placed her in this list at number 5. Number 4. Justin Legault. Justin Legault is a Canadian model who is known for her successful modeling career. She was born on 2nd May 1986. She has appeared on the covers of magazines and also has done endorsement work for various brands. She is also very popular in social media such as Instagram and Facebook. Number 3. Robin Lawley. Robin Lawley was the first Australian curvy model to appear on the cover of Australian Cosmopolitan and Australian Vogue. She is the first Australian plus-size model to be on the cover of Madison, an Australian fashion magazine. Number 2. Ashley Graham. Ashley Graham is an American plus-size model and television presenter. She was born on 30 October 1987. Ashley has served as the backstage host for Miss USA 2016, Miss Universe 2017, Miss Universe 2018. She also appeared in the films like Boys Club and Gypsy Eyes. And the last but not the least, number 1, Jenny Runk. Jenny Runk is an American plus-size model. She was born in Georgia on June 13, 1989. Runk is pretty new to the modeling scene. She is best known for appearing in H&M's Summer 2013 beachwear campaign. In the comment section, tell us which model you like the most. Well guys, that is the latest and greatest list of top 10 plus size model around the world. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please do hit that subscribe button and follow the bell. Thanks for watching. Take care.